High above the world, a little cloud named Luma trembled at the eve of rain. She'd seen storms break trees, flood fields. She didn't want to be part of that. So she hid behind mountains, shrinking smaller each day. One morning, a thirsty flower whispered, "Ah!" Luma's heart sank. She wanted to help, but what if she caused harm? Then she remembered, gentle rain nourishes, heals, grows. With a soft sigh, she let go. A single silver tear fell and bloomed into dew on the flower's petals. The flower smiled, the wind hummed, and Luma, at last, felt